Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Family on Fit, where we talk fitness and how to integrate it in your busy lifestyle. So, today is the second day of the cut. Kind of wanted to give y'all an update of how I'm feeling this morning. And I was kind of hungry, definitely way more hungry than I was yesterday morning. But that also is partly because I'm at home. So when you're at home, to me, it's just a lot easier to think about food. And that's definitely the case for me. And now if I'm upstairs grinding on YouTube or whatever, then it's not as big of a deal. But like today, I have to cook the kids breakfast. I'm at home with them. So therefore I have to be around food. And therefore the smell of food and all that other good stuff makes it difficult. Makes you feel a lot more hungry. So Granny cooked the kids biscuits and gravy this morning, which is a rare treat for us. And I did not eat up until 11 a.m. I was going to have my first coffee protein shake at 10 a.m. But I was really craving it, like at 9:30. I was really wanting it, and then I just forgot all about it. Next thing I know, it was like 10:30. After the kids ate and everything, there was a little bit of gravy left. Granny was gonna throw it away, so I went ahead and ate it. It's probably a lot of calories in gravy, which kind of really sucks. So I probably consumed around 300 calories in gravy. That's how I'm gonna mark it. I may be off a little bit, but the good thing is with having a target fat loss of 2 pounds per week is you can be off 100 calories or so either way, and you're still going to see progress until you start getting really lean. Then your body will start fighting you and it'll want a certain amount of calories, and you'll really have to get those numbers really tight. But at the beginning part of a cut, you can be a lot looser and you can be off a couple hundred calories as long as you're in a deficit that is targeted towards 2 pounds of body fat lost a week. And that's just because worst case scenario, you're only going to lose a pound that week versus 2 pounds. But I still do want to keep this thing very tight, and I got to be very aggressive with it. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and mark that as 300 calories. I'm going to go ahead and consume a coffee protein shake just to make sure I boost my protein levels up for the day. I do not want them to drop down. I'm going to enter into MyFitnessPal about 300 calories worth of the gravy, and then obviously, I'll throw this into MyFitnessPal as well. Make this coffee drink here, and I'm going to go ahead and put 2 scoops of instant coffee in it because I'm about to be working out, and I might show y'all a few clips of me lifting, but if I don't, follow us on Instagram because I'm going to definitely be posting photos and some informational content based on the workout on Instagram. Link will definitely be down in the description, so make sure you go check that out if you're interested, and I'll catch y'all at the next part of my day. That's interesting. Sorry, baby. Hey, shush, I'm shooting video, okay? Everybody shush, okay? Hey, shush. What?
It's disgusting that you're eating,
asparagus? I like it.
Alright,
let me talk to the camera, please. Alright guys, so we're gonna keep this thing voluminous as we can again. The main thing from the last meal, the main thing from last night that we taken out was we're not doing the Greek yogurt tonight. We're doing peas, doing quite a bit more peas than last night. I think like at least another serving. Same serving of asparagus. Now I've put the artificial sweetener in here and salt, and then salt on this. And you probably hear behind me, that's the sound of my burger sizzling. I got about a 500 calorie, 80% lean burger cooking right now. And so that's pretty much what's going to make up my meal for the day. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start crashing this food here until my burger gets done, and then I'll move on to that. Alright guys, so here's that burger. Look at that thing. Sucker's looking nice. excited to eat that. Kind of sucks that that's only 500. That's all I get for 500 calories. But hopefully the fats in it will make me feel satiated, along with the proteins, being somewhat voluminous. So yeah, and also these are voluminous too. So I'm thinking I'll feel pretty good after this. I definitely felt today mentally I was way more exhausted. I can definitely tell I was in a cut today mentally, especially towards the second part of the day. I think part of this is caffeine. Whenever you're like in a caloric deficit and you take caffeine, you get way more stimulated by the caffeine's effect, and it kind of gives you like a weird, almost like a high type feeling. It feels kind of weird, it feels kind of like off, and like you haven't came out of your house for like 5 days, and then you come out and you're like, what's going on around here? But I'm going to crash this meal, guys. Thank you for stuck around till the end. Hit that cellular button so you can see more of our fitness progress as we journey through this cut here. Summer shredding season. Catch y'all in the next one.
So guys, I ate all my food and now I'm stuffed as fuck.
Alright guys, hopefully y'all didn't click off the video just yet because I didn't really mention how many calories I had for this meal. I had right about like 900 calories to eat. So I had like 500 calories of the burger, I had like 240 calories of the peas, and 75 calories of the asparagus. And those numbers don't add up. Well, that's because I was probably inaccurate on how many calories I said that I needed. Because this right here put me exactly 2 calories over my limit for the day, which is not a big deal at all. And that's one of the reasons why I like taking a little bit more aggressive approach. That way you can have a little bit more fluctuation in your diet. So if one day I just want to have an extra slice of bread with my burger, I can, you know? Like if I want to do like maybe a cheat day. Maybe a cheat day is I eat the amount of calories for 1 pound of weight loss for a week instead of 2 pounds of weight loss for a week. But I only do that for a singular day, so it doesn't really affect me. Or maybe that one cheat day I even go back into a caloric surplus. But right now I'm going to try to keep it as strict as possible for the next consecutive days. I'm mainly going to go on how I feel. Like if I start feeling like crap because I'm just like in a deficit, in a super deep deficit, then that's what I'll do. It's highly likely that I'm going to shred down a lot quicker than I expected, and I'm not going to be nowhere near the weight that I predicted I'm going to need to be at. That's what I'm hoping and praying for at least. I'm thinking that I'm going to be 135, 140 calories at like shredded stage ready. And I have like 21 weeks or something like that to get there. So that's quite a bit of time. If you did the math on that, 2 pounds per week, 21 weeks, that's 42 pounds. And I definitely 110% do not need to lose 42 pounds. So game plan is I'll get like super lean, like probably maybe like 10, 12% body fat, 9% body fat, I don't know. I'm just going with basically how I look. I don't really care on body fat percentages. But I get to where I have an appearance that I really like, and then I'll apply a diet break for like a week or two, and then I'll go back into a hardcore cut again, where I'm going to attempt to get as shredded as I possibly can, so that way I can be stage ready for this competition. Now I'm leaving this time, guys. Oh, hold on, one more second. I just wanted to let you know how I'm feeling, like full-wise. I feel pretty full. That's it. Catch you later.